Prime Day 2026 is here, and the savings are bigger than ever. From wearables and Apple gear to Anker chargers, speakers, monitors, and power tools, we've rounded up the hottest discounts across every category. Whether you're upgrading your fitness tracker, boosting your home office, or powering up your entertainment setup, these deals deliver serious value. Let's dive into the best Prime Day offers you can grab right now before prices bounce back. Garmin VivoActive 5 GPS Smartwatch was $299.99, now $189.99. 11 days of battery life means this AMOLED smartwatch outlasts your motivation, your week, and your excuses. Built-in GPS, 30-plus sports apps, sleep coaching, body battery tracking, and music storage keep your health data honest. You save $110, 37% off. Serious smartwatch, seriously discounted. Fitbit Versa 4 Fitness Smartwatch was $199.95, now $139.90. Built-in GPS, 40-plus exercise modes, 24/7 heart rate tracking, sleep analysis, and 6+ days of battery make this the fitness watch that actually outlasts your workout streak. Google Wallet, Alexa, and a 3-month health premium trial come along for the ride. You save $50, 25% off. Track more, guess less. Adidas Women's Explore Path running shoes was $65, now $46. Breathable mesh upper, soft textile lining, and cloud foam cushioning that feels like your feet landed somewhere genuinely comfortable. Rubber outsole grips confidently whether you're running errands or just running. You save $19, 29% off. Daily comfort that doesn't cost you much at all. Dr. Scholl's Women's Time Off Platform Sneakers was $110, now $75. Lace-ups with water-resistant uppers, extra grip, flexible outsoles, and an easy clean treatment that shrugs off whatever your day throws at them. Recycled materials keep it honest. Cushioned comfort keeps you moving. You save $35, 32% off. Style and substance for less than you expected. Anker Prime 9600 mAh 65-watt power bank and wall charger was $89.99, now $69.99. One device that works as both a wall charger and a 65-watt power bank. Fewer cables, less bulk, more peace of mind. Dual USB-C ports, a smart LCD display, and a 100-watt USB-C cable included. You save $20, 22% off. The last travel charger you'll ever need to buy. Anker MagGo 10,000 mAh power bank for Apple Watch was $89.99, now $59.49. Apple certified adjustable watch charger plus a 10,000 mAh bank with 35-watt output and a built-in USB-C cable. One pocket-friendly package charges your watch, iPhone, AirPods, and iPad simultaneously. Refills itself in 1.5 hours. You save $30, 34% off. One charger to rule every Apple device. Anker SOLIX C200 DC portable power station was $169.99, now $129.99. Stay powered anywhere with the Anker SOLIX C200 DC portable power station. Compact yet capable, it delivers 192 watt-hours of lithium iron phosphate battery power with 3,000+ cycles and 5 versatile charging ports, including a 140-watt USB-C fast charge. Recharge to 80% in just 1.3 hours via USB-C, or use solar and car charging for off-grid flexibility. Bring the boom to your hustle with the LG Xboom Bounce Core tuned by Will.im. Regular price $189.99, now $119.99, 37% off. With up to 29 hours of playtime, IP67 dust and water resistance, and military-tested durability, it's built for workouts, basketball courts, and outdoor adventures. Powered by FYI Radio, enjoy AI-driven music, curated news, and interactive DJ personas. Take bold sound anywhere with the JBL Charge 5. Regular price $179.95, now $139.95, 22% off. Featuring JBL Pro sound with dual bass radiators, it delivers powerful audio for up to 20 hours. With IP67 waterproof and dustproof protection, it's built for pool parties, hikes, and outdoor adventures. Party Boost lets you link multiple speakers for bigger sound, while the built-in power bank keeps your phone charged. Upgrade your sound with the Sony SS-CS5M2 high-res bookshelf speakers. Regular price $279.99, now $178, 36% off. Compact yet powerful, this three-way, three-driver system features a 5.12-inch woofer for deep bass, a precision tweeter for crisp highs, and a wide dispersion super tweeter for an expansive soundstage. The bass reflex enclosure ensures distortion-free low frequencies, while premium components deliver faithful audio reproduction. Stay stylish and connected with the Apple Watch Series 11. Regular price $399, now $299, 25% off. Featuring advanced health tracking, it delivers sleep scores, heart rate monitoring, and hypertension notifications. Safety features like fall and crash detection, plus check-in alerts keep you protected. With fitness metrics powered by Apple Intelligence, Workout Buddy, and heart rate zones, it's built for everyday wellness. Step into next-gen sound with Apple AirPods 4. Regular price $179, now $148.99, 17% off. Redesigned for comfort with a refined contour and shorter stem, they deliver immersive audio with active noise cancellation, adaptive audio, and transparency mode. Powered by the H2 chip, enjoy personalized spatial audio, improved call clarity with voice isolation, and seamless Siri interactions. With up to 30 hours of battery life and a compact USB-C wireless charging case, AirPods 4 are built for everyday brilliance. Apple iPad 11-inch 128GB Wi-Fi was $349, now $299. The A16 chip powers through streaming, sketching, gaming, and every productivity app you throw at it. Liquid Retina display, Wi-Fi 6, Touch ID, USB-C, and all-day battery make it the tablet that handles both work and play without choosing a side. You save $50, 14% off. Apple at its most accessible. HP OfficeJet Pro 8125E wireless all-in-one printer was $179.99, now $119.89, 33% off. Print, scan, copy, and auto-duplex at up to 20 pages per minute from anywhere on your network. The 225-sheet tray, ADF, AI-assisted formatting, and dual-band Wi-Fi make report day way less painful. You save $60, 33% off. Home office efficiency at a price that actually makes sense. Canon Color imageCLASS MF753Cdw II laser printer was $702.99, now $499, 29% off. 35 pages per minute in full color or black and white, with scanning, copying, and faxing built right in. A 5-inch touchscreen, one-pass duplex ADF, and mobile printing make this laser printer the office workhorse your home setup has been missing. You save $204, 29% off. Print faster, pay less. ViewSonic VP16 OLED 15.6-inch portable monitor was $399.99, now $229.99. OLED contrast meets Pantone-validated color accuracy in a portable monitor that makes your laptop look twice as productive. USB-C with 40-watt charging, adjustable stand, and tripod mount mean it goes wherever work does. You save $170, 43% off. Pro-level screen at a deeply discounted price. LG UltraGear 39GX900 SAW 39-inch OLED gaming monitor was $1,599.99, now $1,099.99, 31% off. 39 inches of curved OLED glory with a 240 Hz refresh rate, WebOS streaming, and cloud gaming support. Plus, the anti-glare coating makes it beautiful even when powered off. G-Sync, FreeSync, and USB-C connectivity seal the deal. You save $500, 31% off. Your living room will never be the same. DEWALT 20V Max XR DCF 845B Impact Driver was $169, now $124. Up to 1,825 inch-pounds of torque from a brushless motor that runs harder and longer on the same battery. 3 speed settings, variable trigger, bright LED lighting, and a belt hook for hands-free carrying on the job. You save $39, 23% off. Real torque, real tool, real deal. Number 20. DEWALT 20V Max Brushless Drill and Impact Combo Kit was $249, now $169. Compact brushless drill plus impact driver, 2 batteries, a charger, and a carry bag. Everything you need to tackle any project without making multiple trips to the hardware store. LED lighting, quick change chuck, and variable speed make tight spots manageable. You save $80, 32% off. Full kit, real savings. DEWALT 20V Max DCF 630B Drywall Screw Gun was $179, now $117.75, 34% off. 4,400 RPM brushless motor with high and low speed settings, plus 4 operating modes for different materials. Adjustable nose cone dials in consistent depth, LED lights up the work zone, and a compact build cuts fatigue on long installation runs. You save $61, 34% off. Drywall days just got faster. Greenworks 3000 PSI brushless electric pressure washer was $499.99, now $369.99. 3000 PSI and 2.0 GPM blast through decks, driveways, fences, and siding with jet flow technology that goes harder than standard electric washers. A kink-resistant 25-foot hose, metal spray gun, and 5 nozzles cover every surface and angle. You save $130, 26% off. Your outdoor cleanup crew, minus the crew. That's all 20 Prime Day 2026 deals. Every link is in the description below, so tap through before prices bounce back. If this video saved you money, smash that like button and hit subscribe to Consumer Guide. We drop deal roundups just like this one every time savings are real. Don't miss the next one.